Hey guys, so I wanted to come back on here quickly because my hair is not all the way dry. You can see like my shirt is still like soaking wet, but look at these curls. I mean, I am just blown away by like how they look already, and my hair is like not even all the way dry. I mean, I think my favorite wash and go products, which I won't name any names, they have some competition with this Make It Last wash and go collection from Shea Moisture. I mean, literally day one, I got this like a little curl right here. My hair is not even dry, and I mean, just bouncy. It looks so full, it looks so good, and I'm not even dry. Just imagine what my hair is gonna look like tomorrow. But I just want to come do a quick check-in. I'm gonna go back to diffusing my hair, but I mean, just look at this. What? Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here quickly and show you my hair. This is actually day 3 hair, if you can believe it. So I held out a little bit because I wanted to wear it, and I worked out last night, so my hair was in a pineapple. But look at these curls. I mean, they are just absolutely amazing. I'm loving this result. Great bounce, everything. So I did buy one more product from this line, fix that, and it is the Curl Revival Oil. So here it is. So I'm gonna give it a try. So I haven't used it yet, but since it's day 3, I'm gonna give it a little try. I don't want to put too much on. So actually I'm going to get my hair done today. So let's see, look at this before it goes in the camera. I haven't even used it yet. Okay, so it comes out in a nice spray. I wish it was like a bigger mist, but we'll deal with that. And let's see. Ooh, got my neck there. Smells good. Smells just like the other products. So I guess this just adds like a shine gloss to your hair. I definitely don't think it's much of a refresher at all. I don't know. I don't think I would use this as a refresher spray just because it is more of an oil to me. But we'll see. I just put it on. I'm gonna pat what's in my hand on. But y'all, I think this may be like one of my new favorite go-tos wash and goes, especially for the summertime. Like, my hair feels super, super light. I know I'm gonna run through this primer super fast. So I'm actually gonna go to CVS and try and get another one of these, because I would almost use this by itself without the gel, even though the gel is like super, super light. I kind of want to see what this is like by itself, and maybe just mix it with some of my other favorite gels, so we'll see. But other than that, like, this is day 3 hair after a very hot workout. Let me stress you how hot that gym was yesterday. Like, I'm in Atlanta, it was in the 80s. Like, I don't think the AC was working. It's really, really hot. And my curls survived. I survived, so I'm looking good. And this is a finished product. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. More amazing videos coming soon. Until next time, bye.